if you're constipated, this is the movie.
This is the one that'll loosen you up.
布莱德彼特的超帅子弹列车要开车了，各位默默 TV 和爆米花看电影默默专场观众朋友们，赶快上车喽！
Virtual press conference? It's really fun. This is really cool. We're in the future. Everyone out there. We met as actor and stuntman relationship. He was my
Ocean's 11, right?
Double. No, for Fight Club. He shows up in Fight Club a lot.
Wow.
I forget it.
Mexican, Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Troy. Looked good in a skirt. And so it was really nice to come back around full circle, but this time with my man, the boss.
Thank you.
It was so fun to fight Brad. Like, it was just like, I didn't know it was gonna be that much fun. Like I remember strangling you at one point, having you in a headlock, and he would call cut, and we just rest. Like, just chill there.
I just remembered you smelled so nice.
Thank you.
Fresh.
Thank you. I try.
Shit balls. You're gonna shit their pants.
Yeah, I like that.
So if you're constipated, this is the movie.
This is the one that'll loosen you up.
I gotta get off this train.